Hi everybody, I'm Laurence Moroney for The Developer Show, and this is your weekly update on the coolest developer news from Google. We got lots of great updates for you this week, starting with the news that your Android games in the Play Store are coming to PCs via Google Play Games. And as part of our broader goal to make our products and services work better together, our goal is to meet players where they are and give them access to their games on as many devices as possible. The first phase of this rollout begins with the announcement that we've opened up sign-ups for Google Play Games as a beta in Korea, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. Check out the Android developers blog for details. And while you're there, also check out a particular passion of mine, learning. In the post, the Android team gives an update on their excellent Android Basics in Kotlin training course, which is free, self-paced, and makes Android development accessible to anyone. An exciting announcement is that they're working on the next step of this, and that's building on the skills that you've learned to get into Jetpack Compose. So sign me up. The Bazel build environment is designed to help you build and test software of any size reliably and quickly. So for example, if you've used TensorFlow and built it from source, you'll have used Bazel. This week's exciting news is that Bazel has announced and launched version 5.0, which is full of new features, updates, and of course bug fixes, so check out more on the Bazel blog. Now, like many of you, I've become addicted to, that game where you have to guess a 5-letter word? It's a brilliant piece of game design. But in the Firebase Medium blog, developer advocate Michael Bly has created a fun and challenging game that lets you guess pixel art that matches the words from Wordle, and he calls it Pictle. And he built this in less than 24 hours using Firebase, and he'll show you how to go from zero to app in the post. It's also a surprisingly addictive game in its own right, and it totally slowed me down from getting my job done, so yeah, thanks for that, Michael. And while we're on the topic of building casual games quickly and easily, the Flutter team is running a hackathon for a sliding block puzzle. And this week, they've published some sample code on their blog that will help you with some customizations, animations, and a whole lot more, leveraging the power of Flutter to really make your app shine. So check it out on the Flutter blog. Another really cool post comes from the Google Web Dev blog, where they step you through how to migrate apps that integrate with USB-based peripherals with lib2USB in the browser. You'll be guided step by step through using WebAssembly, Asyncify, and WebUSB to port a DSLR remote control from the native desktop app to the browser. It's not always easy, and there can be lots of gotchas with drivers and things like that. So you're guided step by step through mitigating problems, porting content, and a whole lot more. So check it out on the Web Dev blog. To learn more about all of this week's stories, make sure to check the description box below for all of the links. And of course, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. I'm Laurence for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. And we're done? Okay.